In this video, I'm going to show you how you can color grade a dark skin image from looking like this to this in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. And I promise you this video will be in seconds. So let's get to Photoshop. So once you have your picture inside Photoshop, first of all, head on to your adjustment, then you click on the black and white. So after clicking on the black and white, make sure you don't touch anything right here. So the next thing for me to do is to change the blending mode to multiply. So after changing the blending mode to multiply, it's going to appear like this. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity to 55%. So you can see how it's looking right here. Let me show you the before and the after. So I'll head on to my adjustment again. Then I'll also click the hue and saturation. So after clicking the hue and saturation, I'll change this to red. Then I'll desaturate it just like this. So on this video, I'm going to use -25 for the red. Then I'll click on the yellow. Then I'll desaturate it to 10. So after desaturating it to 10, I'll also head on to my selective color. Then I'll change it to the red. Then also I'll add this to +10. Then I'll also add a little bit of black, which is the contrast. Then I'll also head on to my yellow. I'll just add it a bit. I'll add the cyans a bit to +7. Then for the black, I'll add to +5. Then you can see how the image is looking. Let me show you guys the before and after. So let me group this. I'll just drag it down here to group. Then I'll name this color grade. So let me show you guys the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is the before and this is the after. I hope this video is helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a like and comment. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.